Hi, I'm Alex from Stream and I'm going to tell you about the chain curtain. The curtain is extremely effective at stopping insects from getting into the property. It consists of lengths of aluminium chain link that are available in a range of colours, and these hang from a header bar at the top made of the same material. At the bottom, the chain links fall just short of the threshold, and that allows them to swing freely. To use the curtain, you simply part the chain links and walk through, and the chain links will fall nice and neatly behind you. So the curtain is very effective if you have pets that you're wanting to give access to the property to, while stopping those insects from getting in. The curtain can stay in position all year round. It is extremely weatherproof, and as you can see, sits nicely in place even when the door is closed. However, there will be occasions when you want to remove the curtain, perhaps for cleaning, or if you want to store it away in the winter months. So that is really simple to do. You simply lift the header bar up off the brackets and lower it down. And a little tip here is, if you keep the box that we send the curtain to you in, you can lower it down into that, and that will prevent the chains from getting tangled, which makes the whole process to put it back up again very simple. If you have any questions still on the product, there is a lot more information on the product page, but if you still have questions, please do get in touch.